This part is going to be very quick. It's a bit of housekeeping just to check that your date and time are correct. If you find that the date and time is not matching, you can then set the date. So, and today is 30 May 2025, and the time is, let's set. And you can also set the time zone, which as you can see is UTC, and I would prefer to set that to Maltese time zone. So to find that, you do list time zones. There's a big list. I know what it is. It's Europe Malta. Here we go. That's the one I want. I'm just gonna colon Q out of that, and now I'm going to set the time zone. And if I do this, you will see that this is my time.